Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about how to climb the ladder of success or to success to supersize and grow your business. Today's idiom ties into our Get Your Goals annual challenge in that we're talking about idioms that have something to do with goals, probably a lot this year since this is this year's annual challenge. But to climb the ladder or to climb the ladder of success or to climb the corporate ladder, our expressions, at least I've heard a lot in my life. I probably use them dozens and dozens of times, but I like to think in a positive way, but maybe not so much. So what does it mean? Where does it come from? It refers to the fact that we climb a ladder to reach higher levels of anything. We climb a ladder to get on the roof and remove the snow. If you live in Wisconsin this year, we climb the ladder to change a light bulb or to reach up in high cupboards and things. We climb to get higher physically, but we also climb a ladder when we're building our business. We want to build our business and have it grow. So we want it to be more successful, more profitable, more sales, more everything, right? We're driven. We human beings are driven for more of anything and everything that inspires us or that we like or that feels good to us, right? Sometimes those things are good for us. Sometimes those things are bad for us. So when it comes to our careers, and I spent over a quarter century in corporate America and practiced climbing the corporate ladder and learned that although I was pretty good at it, it wasn't where long-term I wanted to spend all of my time and energy and focus. And in 2004, I left corporate America once and for all. Haven't been back. Work with companies, work with corporations, but I'm not a member of or employee of those corporations anymore. So how do we go about climbing the ladder? What can we do? What are some tips to help us be more successful? Not necessarily in a corporate organization, but if we're building a corporate organization, guess what? We want to be at the top of the ladder and be successful in maneuvering it. We want to help other people to do the same, because one of the most important things you can do as you're climbing the corporate ladder is bring people along with you. So what are some ways we do that? You want to be specific in our goals. What is it that we want? We want to be specific and know what those things are and always be working toward those. We want to work smarter, not harder. I don't know how many times I've found myself working really, really hard, and I'm like, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Number 3, maintain modesty and accountability, right? If you want to climb a corporate ladder or climb and be more successful in your business, you are accountable. You're 100% accountable, and you might as well be modest. Let other people brag you up, because that always comes off as more sincere than if you're really full of yourself. Number 5, be honest. I think that one should go without saying, but it's not necessarily true. All business owners are not honest. Number 6, learn the hard skills of the job that you're doing or the business that you're building. You got to learn the hard stuff. And you don't have to know how to do everything if you're building the business and you're the business owner, CEO, leader, etc. But you have to understand what other people are doing. And it works really well if you appreciate the things that they do that you don't have to. And then finally, number 7, keep your happiness in mind. Make sure that what you're doing and how you're growing in the business that you're creating actually makes you happy and brings you joy. It's easy to fall into the trap of climbing the success ladder of building and growing and supersizing your business and finding out that you've built a business that's huge and needs you there all the time, but you don't love that business. I've had that happen to me a couple of times. I've picked businesses that I thought were awesome businesses, but as I grew them and they were supersizing, they consumed me in that they weren't in line with my core values and goals, and they didn't bring me joy. And so I don't have those businesses anymore. So what are some ways you can actually, steps you can use to move up if you're in a job or in your organization, or help people in your organization to do that? Number 1, continue your education. Always be learning. That doesn't mean you go get more degrees. It means you're always reading and growing and learning and becoming a better version of yourself. Network. We have to network and interact with other people. We don't grow our businesses in a vacuum. Get a mentor. I've had some of the most tremendous mentors and coaches throughout my lifetime. Masterminds are another good way. Masterminds are so powerful. Connect with connect with your boss or manager. And if you're building a business, connect with other people that are building businesses in and outside of your industry. That's why I like masterminds so much. Accept responsibility for everything. Be professional. support your team, support the team, take responsibility for the mistakes, right? And take responsibility, especially for your mistakes, and learn from them. Create opportunities for yourself and other people, measure results, know where you're at and know where you're going and know how you're doing towards where you're going. Improve your soft skills, communication skills, leadership skills. I don't know if those are soft skills, but they're very important skills. And finally, be a leader. If you're not the leader of your organization, you probably won't be leading your organization very long. I would love to know your experience with this particular idiom, climbing the ladder or climbing the corporate ladder. I could probably tell stories for years about this one. Anyway, have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to build and grow and supersize your business right now?